Hi guys, today I'm going to explain you how to do a simple CRUD operation functionality by using Visual Studio 2019. So I think you may, if you have come across with some difficulties how to do a CRUD operation, how to do the validation, this will be the right path to you. So only thing you have to do is step by step follow the things what I'm doing. That means I will be doing all those coding, so you have to with me you have to code the things. Okay, if you want you can pause the video and you can step by step follow the procedure. So I'm going to do this by using the Visual Studio 2019. First of all, you have to uh, download Visual Studio 2019 and install that one. So I think you have already done that one. So after so I will be skipping that part. So I will be moving to the my coding part by what we call by configuring the Visual Studio 2019, and I will be directing to the coding stuff. So first of all you have to go to the start and you have to take Visual Studio 2019. I have already installed that one. So it will take some time to load that one. This is Visual Studio 2019. So we'll wait until it is loading. So I don't skip that one because I want to let you to understand how is the total procedure going on. So we'll stay some while to understand how it is loading. It will take some time according to the features of our laptop. So now it is going to load that one. So these were the previous applications that I have started. So they are asking me to recover because I just switch off the laptop. So it is still running. So I will do not recover this one because I don't want those things. Then I can move to the this one, the Visual Studio. So this will be the window which comes after that. Yeah, you can see this type of window is coming. So these were the previous applications that I have done. So here you can go here, create new project, or you can go continue without code. So I will be going here, create a new project. So after that it will load to another window. uh, it will take some time to load that one. Same things will be happening in your case also. So you want to follow the things what I'm doing here. So we'll wait until it is coming for a standard way. Yeah, it will load sometime because right now from this window you have to select the bigger features that you want. So here I will be going to ASP.NET web application. So you know that why these things are occurring here, because I have several times I have done this one. So they will give these things as a suggestion. So these are the recent project templates that I have done. So those things are occurring here. If it is not occurring, so you can see from this place you can get it. Now according to this thing you can find you can select what is the template that you want to do. I will select ASP.NET web application. ASP.NET web application. I prefer you also take the same thing. So you can take any of these things. We are going with the C# language. So ASP.NET web application I will be selecting. I have to tell one thing. Now ASP.NET is the previous technology. Now the modest and new technology is ASP.NET core web application. Okay, but I will be doing this application by using ASP.NET framework. So you can select from here by typing just ASP.NET, or you can just scroll this one and get it one. Now since it is ASP.NET Core, you want to find out what is the ASP.NET web application. Here ASP.NET web application, but consider what is the language here. But here the language is the Visual Basic. No, we don't want Visual Basic, we want the C#. So you just scroll down and find out where is the C# language with the ASP.NET web application. Right, this will be the right framework that we were searching, ASP.NET web application, and it is C#. So you can select that one. Okay, you don't want to scroll and going like that way, you can just select from here. If you have already done some of the things, it will be given like that way. If you cannot find it here only, you want to get it from this place. So I will be select this one, or either you can select this one. Anyway, you can find out. Then click next. Then click next and find out. Now here you want to give a project name. You can just type the project name, any name you can give. You can give any name here. So the project name I will be typing just like CRUD operation, in ASP.NET, anything you can just write, or otherwise you can just put your project the functionality name. Here I will be then write the feedback report, anything you can write, feedback report. That's according to your desire. You can just type anything. Then the location will be the place which this project is going to save. So here it is going to save the hard disk, or you can just go there and change it, or you can just browse and find out a proper place. So I will be prefer to the given default location, so I don't want to change that one. The solution name also the same thing which we have typed in the project name, it is the same. And if we click this one, the place solution and project will be in the same directory, so you don't want to change any of these fields. You can just click the create thing. After clicking that one, it will be directed into another window like this way. Here they will be asking you to find out which will be the type of the framework that we are using. You can select empty. Now by using empty and this web form formats, it will be, we can do some basic and also the user-friendly stuff. We can make this one. Since our functionality also a simple functionality, we can just go with the web forms. But if we go with the MVC or web API, we can do some advanced stuff. So I'll prefer now I have already done the stuff by using the web forms, so I will be prefer to move to the MVC structure. So here I will try to do the things using the MVC, because when we are moving to the industrial areas, it will be convenient if we have a experience with this MVC. So I'll click MVC, and here you don't want to change this one because up to our level this more authentication will be fine, so you don't want to change this one. So if you want, you can change by from here like this way, individual user accounts like that way you can change, but you don't want to change that one, so you just leave that one. And here we have already clicked this MVC, and all the other stuff you don't want to change, and you can just create this one. Okay, then it will be creating our project. So it will take some time to create that one. So be patient and wait for that one. So you can, after that one, you can see your created project. Right now, after this thing, it will go to this window. That means this is our project now. So here it is our functionality that we have. This is the name of our project. So this will be the start window of the Visual Studio 2019. So it will automatically generated some folders here. This is according to the MVC structure. MVC means now here models will be there, controllers are available, and these views will be available. These things will help us to do our project easily. That's why these things are available, since we have taken the MVC architecture. So after this thing, you want to start your the functionality. The very first thing that we are going to do is the creating our database. I will be explaining that thing after this one. So before to do the database, I will want to explain some things about this Visual Studio IDE, because if this is the first time you have come across with this Visual Studio 2019, you will be confused what are the things available here. So I will explain some of those things. Now this part is called as the Solution Explorer, and this part it is called as the Server Explorer. Okay, now using this Visual Studio 2019, you don't want to type all those HTML stuff, because this will be giving us a easy format to do those stuff, like by using the buttons and things. You can just drag and drop, and you can make your user interface. It will be one of the easy thing which is available in this Visual Studio where 2019, not in 2019, the old versions also, that facility is available. So in some cases you will be closing that one, and you will be facing a difficulty to load that Solution Explorer again. So if it is like that way, so if you can see a bare window like this way, the Solution Explorer is available here. So you can just click that one, and you can load the your Solution Explorer. And what is called this the Server Explorer means, using that Server Explorer you can have many stuff. So I'll just minimize this one, and I'll explain those stuff to you. So if you can move to this what we call the Solution Server Explorer, you can see that the data connections and the server. So this will be the place which help you to make your database by using SQL Server, like that way. So I'll stop here, and I'll come back again with the second video. Second video onwards, we'll discuss how to make a inbuilt database using SQL Server, and we'll directly move to the coding stuff and do the things. Okay, in this first video, I wanted only to configure how to in this first video, I wanted actually to explain you how to configure the Visual Studio 2019 for your project. So I think you understood all those things. Thank you very much.